What's going on, YouTube? Your boy is back once again. Mad Scientist X, Mad Scientist 10. I'm not sure, but Mad Scientist X, and I have a deck profile to show you today. I call it my cage birds. So this is my second Blackwing deck profile and some replays. Cage birds. Ever since I found out the MX Saber engine with the IronChains, I've been in love with the IronChains. It's always been one of my favorite decks. There's only a couple cards in the whole deck, but nevertheless, you know. So I got this crazy idea of doing Blackwings, IronChains, and some removal because of Boojins and everything else. Madochis. I have my biggest problems I have is cards that just won't die. So first of all, this is a deck profile. Three Shura of the Blue Flames, 3 Boras, 2 Kaluts. I should have 3, but 1 Gladius, 1 Damascus, the Polar Knight, 500 extra attack, 1 Gale. I wish it was 3. 3 Blizzards. Excuse me. 3 Blizzards. My Dev Pro's acting really funny. 1 Blackwing Vayu for the IronChain engine. 2 Repairmans. 3 IronChain Coils. 2 Cranes for your MX Saber and move. 1 Soul Release. Here's a DD. Here's a DD part of it. The cage, in other words. Soul Release to get rid of graveyard stuff. 2 Dark Cores, 1 Riding Together. I saw this card and I was like, you know what? Let me try it. So it's almost like a maxi. I never use maxis anyway, but it's almost like a maxi. 1 Mystical Space Typhoon, 1 Book of Moon, 1 Shrink, 2 Black Whirlwinds, 1 Different Dimension Reincarnation, 1 Bottomless, 2 Delta Crows anti-reverse for trap removals, 1 Magic Cylinder. I did win with that. 1 Dimensional Prison, 2 Karma Cuts. I expect this card to be used eventually. 2 Karma Cuts. You take out 1 monster from the field, and there's extra monsters inside the graveyard. All 3 of those monsters, or 2, how many monsters are with the same name, are removed or sent to the banish zone. 1 Black Return. For the extra deck, 1 Fortune Tune, number 49. 2 MX Saber Invokers. 1 Vortex to Whirlwind. 1 Graham the Shining Star. Armwing. 1 IronChain Dragon. IronChain Dragon does more than just, mill cards to the graveyard. If it hits, it gets 200. You remove from play all IronChain monsters from your graveyard to have this card gain 200 for each card removed. So a little attack boost, just in case you need it. Black Rose Dragon. Armor Wing. Dark End Dragon. Black Winged Dragon. 1 Ancient Fairy Dragon, because I know you know level 7. 1 Blackwing Silverwind the Ascendant. 1 Red Dragon Archfiend. 1 Red Nova Dragon. Side deck, I just had extra stuff in here, shrinks and everything else. I had a bird from the different dimension earlier. Probably didn't want to put that. You know what? I'm gonna trade this back in because how did this? My Dev Pro is messing up. Somehow I winded up with four of these in my deck. My Dev Pro is messing up, and I hate to have to redo it. I'm gonna wait till Dev Pro gets itself together again. The English version better. Anyway, so that's the deck. Let's go to some replays. I got plenty of replays, but just a few. Deck works, y'all. Deck works. First one. Cage Birds versus Dark Worlds. I was expecting a real loss as soon as I saw. Yep. And Drag Down to the Grave, I hate Drag Down to the Grave. I'm just gonna let you know that right now. Ooh-wee. That's a whole lot of karma cut. Oh yeah. See, now here I thought I'm in trouble. I'm gonna take a hit. Drag down to the rave. See, people don't know what Crane does yet for that engine. So I'm about to show somebody something. All right, here we go. Black Whirlwind against the wind. Bora. Anti-Crow reverse. Trap stun. It don't matter. Yes. Oops. Armor Wing. Here we go. And this is some I forgot who this guy is, but shout out to him. Downloaded a bunch of what do you call that, scary beats, horror film remix beats and so forth. First you play over with. The next was Fire Kings. Let me swap this. Pause. Riding together. So, IronChains Dragon. IronChains Dragon. It might not seem like it's much, but it does something. I wish they give IronChains some XZs or something other. Oh yeah. So that was that. All right, this next battle is with I'm gonna call it dark. Some kind of dark deck. I see you build Ultimate Terror on there. And so, like I said, this deck, and you'll see some of the banish mode in here, the banish zone stuff, working for me. I love Gale. I might put Armored B in here just so I can have two cards that has a half effect, but Gale's more permanent, of course. Forbidden Lance. I was waiting for it. Crane. Mimic Saber Invoker. IronChains Repairman. IronChains Coil. Black Rose. I wish I had a plant in here. If I had some quit spells, I would use Power Tool. You know, this is one of them cards. It should have been very specific. It should have been only for Blackwings. And so release. Just to get rid of stuff just in case. All right, here we go. Power duality. Unfortunately.
Never forget about this.
All right, that ends the replay. And I'm done. Like, comment, subscribe. Once again, this is my different dimensional wings, black wings, with a different dimensional theme to it. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.